guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez collab, and I'm just applying this right onto my crease. I'm making sure that the color it is as bright as I want it, so I am taking my time and I'm layering the color onto my crease. And you can go as high as you want or low as you want. I really like my shadows to be high, so I do take my time and apply the color as high as I can, trying to avoid a little bit of the brow bone. From there, I'm going with the orangey shade and applying this right onto my crease as well. And I am trying to make sure that you can see the yellow and the orangey shade. As we use the yellow as our transition color, is going to help us to blend all the colors together. So I am taking my time applying the orangey as well, just to make sure that it's very pigmented and as bright as you want it. You take your time and you apply. So then after that, I'm going back with the yellow shade and gonna go ahead and blend everything together just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. You want to make sure you blend and apply color as you go. So I'm definitely blending a lot. After that, I'm going with the burgundy shade and applying this right onto my crease as well, just to kind of layer those colors together. You want to make sure you layer them on top of each other, but leaving a little space so you can see the colors. I want you to be able to see the burgundy, the orange, and the yellow. So I am taking my time, as you guys can see, and then I'm applying a darker burgundy shade. I'm just applying this right on the outer corner just to give me a little bit more depth. And then I'm going back with the orange shade again, and just to help it blend everything nicely. And I'm just going back again with the yellow just to blend everything, to make sure everything is really nice and blended. After that, I'm going to go ahead with this Urban Decay glitter. It's a new glitter that they came out with, and I'm just applying this all over the lid. It doesn't have to be precise or clean or anything. I really wanted the glitter to go anywhere it wanted, so I kind of made it messy a little bit because I wanted the glitter to pop and just do its own thing. So that's what I went ahead and I applied it everywhere that I wanted the glitter to be, just to kind of look messy. After that, I'm going back with the yellow shade, and I'm applying this right in the bottom lash line. And then I'm going back with the orangey shade and apply this right into the outer corner of the bottom lash line, making sure that the colors are touching. And then I'm applying that burgundy shade again as well, and then I'm bringing it all the way in. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner. This one is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the black one. I don't even know the name of it, but yeah. So I'm applying this right into my waterline just to kind of make my eyes pop a little bit more. I did go ahead and apply my lashes. These are the Bold Makeup lashes. I will list all their information in the bottom bar for you guys if you guys are interested. These are new lashes that they came out with. So yeah, I will list all that information in the bottom bar for you guys. And then for my lip combo, I am using Morphe, and I'll list all that information in the bottom bar. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.